Guys, check out this machine. It is from the future. This machine turns air into water. I kid you not. From the back, this sucks in the air around us, and from the front, you click here, and it turns it into water. This is crazy. Water from air. Before I tell you how this machine works, wow, this is good. I gotta tell you about the water problem. In the world, billions of people to this day live without clean water. Their water is either too polluted, too salty, or too little. And if we continue like this, we may run out of drinkable water. But what if we can create more drinkable water? Well, that is the question these guys are trying to answer. A group of researchers in Israel built technology that could solve the drinkable water problem.
Hi, my name is Michael, and we found a way to create water from air.
See, the air around us is made up of two things, air molecules and water molecules. You can't see them with your eye, but you can feel them when the water is a little bit humid. In an average room like this one, there are water molecules floating in the air. And if we capture them, we can make a few liters of water. So imagine how much water we can make from the air outside. A lot of it.
So we built a machine to collect water from the air around us.
This machine takes in humid air and then it cleans it. Then it condenses it into water. From there, the machine adds minerals to the water, makes it colder, and then ta-da! You get real, drinkable, chilled water. All you need is air and electricity to make this work.
This took us 11 years to build.
What do you think? What do you think?
It's actually amazing. Like, I can't believe there's no water inside here. No, that's the crazy part.
There's no water tank. There's just like humidifiers and condensers and minerals, and that's it.
So where does the air go inside? Here?
Right here. This is where the air goes. It is sucked from here. Look, if you put your hand here, look, put your hand.
Whoa, it's like sucking me inside.
Did you see? You feel it sucking the air.
That's crazy.
So essentially, in the office, we have this much water spread around us, and we don't even know about it.
Wow, that's incredible.
This technology can be very useful. It can reduce plastic bottles. No need to buy plastic bottles anymore. It can be deployed to remote areas where there is no water. It can be donated to poor areas where water is polluted. It can be put in army tanks to give water to soldiers. It can be sent to areas with natural disasters. It can be anywhere you need water.
Our machines provide fresh, clean drinking water everywhere, in rural areas, after natural disasters, and using any kind of energy that is available on the spot. Fresh, clean drinking water without a fear of contamination is a basic human right of every person on Earth.
In the future, this will be cheap enough, mobile enough, and effective enough to reach every corner in the planet.
We can make a huge impact around the world by providing fresh, clean drinking water to everyone on the planet.
And that is exciting because everybody in the world deserves clean water. That's more than a minute. See you soon. Thank you guys for watching Planet Warriors. This was 8 episodes, incredible people around the world making incredible things. Thank you for supporting it. Thank you for supporting Nas Daily.